My TB30R won't start. No click. I've checked for interlocks, parking brake, seat, mower/PTO, discharge chute. If I jump the solenoid, it turns. The mower has been used 6 times.
Have you located the fuse, near battery, accessed from under the fender? If no click from the fuel solenoid, you have no power to the key switch. If you have the owner's manual, it should show the fuse location.
That was the first thing I checked.
Did you check it or replace it? Do you have 12 volts to the key switch from the fuse holder?
I just checked it.
The power for the key has to come through the fuse. With you getting no click when you turn on the key, it appears there is no power to the key.
Or is an interlock defective?
None of the safety switches keep the power from the key switch. And when key switch is turned on, the fuel solenoid at the carburetor has to click open. Does it?
Are you sure there's a fuel solenoid on this mode?
There should be. It has been on engines for around 20 years now, on Rider models, used to keep engine from backfiring when key is shut off. Do you see a wire going to the carburetor?
No wires.
You have a voltmeter or test light to test with. Need to know for sure if key switch has battery voltage.
Not at the moment.
Do you have the engine model numbers?
Briggs & Stratton 21R7070039G1.
Typical Briggs single-cylinder engine, and it shows no fuel solenoid, just a shutoff from tank. Is mower still in warranty? With you only using it 6 times, you may want to consider having it repaired under warranty. To troubleshoot further, you need a test light or voltmeter, less than $20. At auto or retail store.
It's 50 miles to an authorized Troy-built shop. What should I check with a tester?
First thing, does key switch have battery voltage? Second, does key send voltage to the starter solenoid wire? Test it at key switch. Then test it at starter solenoid end.
Okay. Thanks, Curtis.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.